In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix MyFitnessPal not logging me in. This common issue can be frustrating, but with a few simple steps you can resolve it quickly. Let's dive into the process. First, open your device settings. You can usually find this app on your home screen or in the app drawer. It's often represented by a gear icon. Opening the settings is essential because it allows you to access various device configurations that may affect the MyFitnessPal app. Once you tap into the settings, you will have the tools needed to troubleshoot the login issue. This step is straightforward, but it sets the stage for all the necessary adjustments to follow. Next, click on About Phone. This option is typically located towards the bottom of your settings menu. It's crucial to know that MyFitnessPal requires Android 12 or higher for optimal performance. By checking this section, you confirm that your device meets the necessary software requirements. If your version is outdated, you might need to consider updating your device. This can prevent future issues and ensure a smoother app experience. Now, isolate the issue by opening a browser on a computer or your phone and navigate to the MyFitnessPal login page. Here, attempt to sign in with your usual credentials. This step is important because it helps you determine if the problem lies with the app or your account itself. If you can log in successfully on the browser, it likely indicates an app-specific issue. This clarity can save you time and frustration as you continue troubleshooting. If you find that logging in through the browser works, go to Settings on your mobile device again. This step is necessary as you will need to adjust some app settings next. Make sure you are in the main settings menu where you previously accessed About Phone. This keeps your focus on resolving the app issue effectively. From there, click on Apps. This section lists all the applications installed on your device. Finding MyFitnessPal within this list will allow you to access its specific app settings. This is a crucial step because app-specific settings often hold the key to resolving any login issues. You are one step closer to getting back into your account. Next, click on MyFitnessPal in the Apps list. This brings you to the app's information page where you can manage its settings. It's important to select the correct app because altering settings in the wrong app will not help with the login problem. You should see various options related to the app's performance and storage. Now click on Storage. This section is where you can manage the app's cache and data, which are often culprits in login issues. Understanding how to clear storage can significantly improve the app's performance. It ensures that any corrupted files or outdated data do not interfere with your login attempts. Finally, tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. This action will remove temporary files and reset the app's data. After this step, you may need to log in again with your credentials. Clearing cache and data is a simple yet effective solution to many app-related problems. Once done, it ensures that your changes are saved and prepares the app for a fresh start. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login issues with MyFitnessPal. Remember, login problems can often be fixed by clearing cache or updating your device settings. If you continue to experience difficulties, you may want to consider reaching out to MyFitnessPal support for further assistance. Thank you for watching and good luck.